Hey there, Walt here from WaltInPA, and I'd like to welcome you to the weekly motorcycle discussion. If you're new around here, I basically present you with a question, and I look forward to seeing you participate in the discussion down below in the comments. That's not to say you couldn't do a video response, hint, hint, if you feel so inclined. So today's discussion topic, I want to ask you, what one feature do you wish your bike had that it doesn't have now? Something that if you were going to go out and get a new bike tomorrow, it would have to have this. What is it? Head down to the comments section below and share your thoughts. Thank you for participating in the discussion. Ride safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.